Hi friends, welcome to the weekly Roundup. Let's begin with what's happening with RBI's Monetary Policy Committee. In its bi-monthly policy review held on June 8, the RBI Monetary Policy Committee has, as was widely expected, continued to keep a pause on key rates. The decision was taken unanimously and thus the repo rate continues to remain at 6.5%. Governor Shaktikanta Das said that inflation is expected to remain above 5% throughout the financial year 2024 in the range of 5.1% and warrants continuous vigil. Some analysts are currently terming India's economy as being in a Goldilocks state, with GDP growth higher than estimated and inflation cooling off in recent months. However, RBI is likely to continue to keep a pause to maintain vigil, especially in backdrop of global central banks keeping hawkish stance and high key rates and inflation being sticky globally. Moving on, according to a recent survey done by the global fund tracker EPFR across 57 emerging market fund managers, India is now a consensus overweight market for foreign portfolio investors, FPIs. Could it be the Goldilocks effect? When global emerging market funds get money from investors, the fund manager may decide to allocate according to the market's weight in the index. He or she may also decide to allocate more or less vis-a-vis the weight in the benchmark, depending on her view on the specific market. India right now is punching above its weight. That is, it is getting a larger share as compared to the weight it commands in the index. There is some trouble with the corporate. One of India's largest and most well-known startups, Byjus, is facing some financial troubles. They have filed a suit against US-based investment management firm Redwood, which has given them a dollar loan. The reason for the lawsuit is predatory tactics by Redwood as alleged by Byjus. Byjus also skipped an interest payment of about $40 million on the loan, thus becoming the only Indian startup to have defaulted on a US dollar loan. What's happening in the mutual fund industry? There is one more new entrant in the 40 lakh crore mutual fund industry. Bajaj Finserv has announced the start of its new mutual fund business, which would include 7 funds in various categories such as large cap, mid cap, flexi cap, liquid and arbitrage. Bajaj Finserv entered the mutual fund business as on this week, June the 6th. And finally, in the global news, the cryptocurrency market is facing the heat from US regulators. This week, United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) sued crypto exchange Binance and its billionaire founder Xiaoping Zhao, alleging that they worked to attract US customers to its unregulated international exchange, commingled investor funds with their own and violated securities law. SEC is also suing Coinbase for operating its crypto asset trading platform as an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. On that note, signing off for this week. Take care, keep following us and tracking us. Speak to you same time next week. All the best. Bye-bye.